Alright, well this is the community project here, and a lot of you, well not a lot, but a couple of you think it's a virus, or a Trojan, or a Fisher of some sort. Now, today I'm going to try and prove you all wrong, so let's see how I succeed at doing that. Right, so this is the program here, you know, same as the last one I released. There's a couple of things different in it, but I'm not going to go over it just because I'm going to release an update and this is the new version of it. But I'm going to scan it because it's still the same thing, so I'm going to scan with Malwarebytes, anti-malware. And Malwarebytes is a free program, but it's also very good. Alright, so the scan completed successful, no malicious items were detected. Alright, and then it gives you a log. Alright, so memory process infections and then 0000000. Alright, so and I'm going to scan it again with a bit, with a program that costs a lot of money. I think it's like $300. It came with my computer and I got a product key for it, so I got it for free, but it does cost $300 or around there. Don't really know, but around that figure. Alright, so this is Norton Internet Security I'm scanning it with. Alright, no viruses, spyware or other risks were found. Then I've got Norton 360 up in the corner here. Alright, so, you know, it's all secure, everything's fine. And then I'll bring up the post by the user. No, I should be on the right page. Well, while I'm here, yeah, no, this is the right page. Alright, well, he basically said that the virus is not inside the application. However, when it goes to connect to the server, now this is H1, that's the server. I believe it's the same server Modio connects to, so that's not the server. So I'll just copy and paste this into the URL box, address box. Actually, I've already... Alright, so this is basically the latest news in text, alright? There's nothing special about it, it's just plain old text, and yeah, that's it. It's actually outdated too, I don't know what's happening there, but alright. Now, here I am at Replay here. This is where I update all the information from. I've got the news, the submit info, the update info, the version information, welcome box, and welcome box.info. And they're all XML documents. The ones you see in CSS are not actually anything to do with the program. They're more to do with the website I'm hosting for a friend. Alright, so to prove that this is where it gets updated from, I will edit the welcome box, and I'll have to also sign in. Obviously my login details are not important, so I'm signing in. Okay, alright, I'll just go to my files real quickly again. I'll edit welcome box dot. Get that. Alright, so this is basically a message box that shows when the application starts, and if any of you get this welcome box, well, you basically just open the application at the time I was editing this. Alright, so community project loading. Alright, and there you go, the welcome box. That's basically all it does, and you know, it's all it was made to do. It wasn't meant to do anything else but that. So I'll close it now and fix this up now that I've done that. But as you see, so far I have proven all but that it's not a virus and it's completely safe. I'll come to a couple of other facts. Alright, so this is the news. This is the thing that was supposedly a virus. The root. This is a combination of HTML and JavaScript, which is XML. The first official, so this is basically just the news, the latest news here. Alright, so you see it, it's all there, and all it does is appear in that box. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of source code to the community project evolving around the news, which is right here. The reason why I'm showing you this is because it's already public and you can just simply get it off one of my topics I started. So as you see, this is the URL that was actually supplied by this user that was claiming it was a virus, but this here is Brand's coding. This here, so you know, I didn't write it. I can read it. I know what it means, and I'm telling you that that's not anything to do with phishing. I mean, dim news builder is new system.txt. That's basically just converting the XML into text and actually pointing out where to read it at. And that's basically that little dot you see before the news starts. And if not, returns an error. Simple as that. And then the update feature, of course, was also pointed out for being a virus. Don't know why, but that's the update feature there. Very similar to the news, as you see. The links are a bit different. See, update info.xml. Could not retrieve update information, you know. And this is just the coding, so when you close the box, an execute window appears, you know. Just something simple. But before I have a feeling this is going to get pointed out being a phisher or anything. There was recently one of the Xbox Live Friends spam. There is an Xbox Live Friend made by Kali or Kali Mods or whatever. Alright, there is one there. YouTube search it or whatever. I don't know. Find it. They're not phishers. It's just a program that connects to the official Xbox Live or Xbox.com page and uses their system and basically just keeps, well, you know, it's a pretty simple program. You could easily code it if you knew what you were doing. I mean, it's nothing to it, but I wanted to add a feature that the Kali mods did, however long that will be coming in the next update too. Alright, that's if you choose to download it after believing that it's a virus. Right now, I was so, like, I really wanted to get this out there. I wanted to get it done, released on time. I did, but Game-Tuts was down, and in fact, I went over to a mate's place, so I wasn't able to release it on the 2nd. Alright, but I did finish it. I finished it 2 days early, and I finished it, like, I added some really cool features that actually aren't in the new one yet, because it's just going to take me a while to add. Now this is the old project files. Yes, there is 2 project files. This is the completely screwed over, you know, nothing works in this. See, look, there's build errors which you like to run. Alright, you see all those errors, there's 66 errors, and it's completely stuffed up, you know, you can't do anything with this, and I'll show you that it's the, well, that's the news there, as you can see. Alright, that's the old about menu. Contact us. So there you go. That's it there, and exactly the same. This is a bit old. It doesn't have all the some of the features that the new one has. But I really tried to rush this out, and for me rushing it, I had to completely rebuild it, and I still managed to bring it out on time. So you guys think about that. If you're going to claim it as a virus, I've shown you some of the source code that I think is necessary to prove and provide that this is not a virus or any sort, or actually gave you even more than I did. And this is something really odd I wanted to point out here, because as I'm looking at this, and hang on, bring it up. As I'm looking at this on page 2, remember that this was scanned by Kaspersky Internet Security, and I mean, when I click on this link down below where DJ Equal says it's virus scan and all clean, alright, it actually lists Kaspersky in saying that it found nothing, you know. I mean, I'm pretty sure that's similar. and it's not the same, but I'm sure it's a brand. But Nod32, however, I didn't actually suggest using that program. I was doing a team view, as I suggested when I was writing my comment back to you, and I was saying that I was using TeamView, and one of my beta testers was writing this. It says, was also reading this post and would like to make a comment, which he typed, I have researched your Kaspersky. I didn't write that, my friend did, alright? And I don't have a lot more else to say than other... See, this is a load of rubbish, and I mean, it's not worth posting unless you really want to back that statement up. I have worked too long on this for someone just to go, nah, it's a virus, don't download it, you know, it's not worth your time. Alright, so just think about it.